Students, good morning to all of you. In our continuation part, analysis followed by synthesis. As you know, this is the retrosynthesis. Herein provided the target molecules, what is the analysis and the synthesis of the plants, give the synthesis, analysis of these target molecules. First of all, we should know that these target molecules contain which types of the function group, that is the cyclic ether and unsaturated. First of all, identify this compound containing the which types of the function group and how it is obtained. In this example, there is what a cyclic ether. Here is a cyclic ether and alkene. How the cyclic ether is obtained? What is the plan of synthesis? This ether is obtained from this alcohol. As we know that ethers are the derivatives of alcohol. The basic is that ether are the derivatives of a hydrocarbon. Again, what alkene? The alkene, it is obtained from what? Again, hydrocarbon. Which types of the hydrocarbon? We know that alkyne. If the starting reactant molecule is alkyne, which is the reduction takes place. How the reduction takes place? Which types of the catalyst is used? Which types of the reducing reagent are used for the preparation of the alkene from alkynes? तो यहाँ पे एनालिसिस हम यहाँ देखते हैं. व्हाट इज द analysis of these types of the compound. First, this is the 2cc disconnection. Here 2cc disconnection takes place. As you can 2cc disconnection. तो यहाँ पे 2cc CO disconnection करेंगे. So this 2CO disconnection. So from here this 2CO disconnection, as you can say, if 2CO disconnection from here, so this path is now because of we want to the preparation of the diol is here. Okay, so 2 CO disconnection takes place, and then formation of what? This double bond is as it is, this CS2 and CS2 as it is, this one is a hydroxy, this another is a hydroxy. Then what about this CS3 C double bond O CS3, CS3 C double bond O CS3, this carried out, this is the reagents, as we can say, this is the synthons, this is, as we can say, synthetic equivalent, acetone, and this is the diol. So again the this analysis of such types of the compound, we know that this alcohol and this water alcohol, if you are to again 2cc disconnection here, 2 I am writing this is what 2cc disconnection, then this alkene and this nucleophilic negatively charged, and this water CS2, as you can say, this CS2 how many times? This 2 times of the CS2, this CS2OH, this CS2OH and this CS2OH. So this negative charge, as you can say, this positive charge, because the lone pair of electrons on oxygen atoms, this is what is the synthetic equivalent. The synthetic equivalent of such types of the compound, this is called what? CH triple bond CH. Again this is what? Synthetic equivalent of such types of the compound, this is what? C double bond OH formaldehyde, C double bond OH formaldehyde. So we will get these types of the substrate as a reagent species, that is the alkynes and what? Formaldehyde. Then what is the plan of synthesis? We have to plan of synthesis. What is the plan of synthesis? तो यहाँ पे इसका synthesis क्या होगा? What is the synthesis of given compound target molecules? तो यहाँ पे synthesis इसका करते हैं. starting reactant यहाँ पे हमें लेना है CH. This is the alkyne molecules, acetylene. It is reacted with what? The acetylene is treated with first. It is reacted with the base. It is reacted with what base? NaNH2 sodamide. What happened? There is a reactive with the base NaNH2 sodamide, formation of what? CH, that is the triple bond. The hydrogen atom is lost because it is a basic in nature, having tendency to take the proton, either first one and second one from the both side. This carried out the negatively charged, and we are having this is the formaldehyde, 2-formaldehyde. It is treated with what? This alkyne molecules. 2-formaldehyde is treated with alkyne molecules. Then whatever, this is a nucleophilic in nature. This nucleophilic addition on carbon oxygen multiple bond, as you can say, carbon hetero multiple bond. So whatever, here the path of the synthesis analysis is here. तो हम यहाँ पे इस स्पेसिस को आगे लिखते हैं. So this species we return this what this is what CH triple bond CH and what 2 mole of formaldehyde, 2 mole of formaldehyde. So I am written these types of the species is here. So this is the synthon and synthetic equivalent. तो यहाँ पे इसका हम एनालिसिस करते हैं. What is the synthesis, finally what synthesis यहाँ पे मिलेगा हमें. So this is obtained C triple bond C as it is. So this convert into CH2OH. Formaldehyde is converted into what? A primary alcohol. Formaldehyde is converted into primary alcohol. Then what about? There is what? H2PD. H2PD. So this is what? As you can say BaSO4. This types of the reagent is known as what? Linear catalyst. These types of the reagent are the linear. As you can say, this is the linear catalyst. By using the linear catalyst, formation of cis alkene. By using what? A Birch catalyst, that is what? Sodium liquid ammonia. Sodium liquid ammonia in ethanol. This is called as the Birch reagent. By using the Birch reagent, formation of the trans alkene, but here by using the linear catalyst, formation of cis alkene. Though cis alkyne is converted into alkene, that is what? Cis types of alkyl. So there is formation of these types of the species. Again, it is treated with what? Acetone. It is treated with what? Acetone, this one. Then formation of, in presence of H plus, acidic condition, formation of target molecules. So this is what? Synthesis. Synthesis, this is the synthesis. First step, react with the base, alkyne acetylene, formation of this nucleophilic species, basic species. It is treated with what? A nucleophilic addition on carbon hetero multiple bond. Formation of these types of the species, again using the linear types of the catalyst. Formation of these types of the product, linear catalyst. These types of the alkyne is converted into what? Cis alkene. Then it is treated with what? Acetone in presence of, it is treated with what? 2-propanone in presence of acidic condition, formation of what? Our target molecule. So this is one of the plan of analysis followed by synthesis. Then we call this is the retrosynthetic analysis. यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हम डिस्कस करते हैं. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ व्हाट? टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल्स. गिव द एनालिसिस प्लान. Give the analysis plan of target molecules. If we are having, this is the unsaturated species is there. Unsaturated species is there. What is that? Alkyne. So this alkene or alkyne